Yeah, this is a good place just to park, drive around a couple times maybe.
There's someone behind me.
Let's drive mentally.
Oh, speed bump.
There, that's a good way to learn how to use the brakes and feel the brakes.
I tell you what, these speed bumps are terrible.
How's it driving?
It drives good. Speed bumps are awful. Okay, there's another one.
Well, this is good. At least you get the feel of the car.